Winning Master of Seasoning is a great pleasure and honor. I believe my past experience and also the product which I use for my dishes makes huge difference, and I believe that gives me the winning edge of this competition. Master of Seasoning competition is one of the best and one of the challenging competition that I have participated in. I have to compete with different higher levels of executive chefs from different nations. Take a challenge and do something new, because this Master of Seasoning competition is very different competition, and also you will get knowledge from master chefs, like people who have really good experience in different areas. So I think this is the best opportunity to participate and challenge with different nationalities.